Let's talk about electrician pay in Panama. The average salary of an electrician in Panama is 16,700 US dollars a year. That is average annual gross salary, but after tax, you bring home $14,700. This means your take-home pay is roughly $1,225 a month. While that is the nationwide average electrician income, workers in large cities earn noticeably more. For example, in Panama City, you take home $17,300 after tax, which is substantially higher. Even though tradespeople outside the capital get lower electrician wages, the lower cost of living in smaller towns often offsets that difference. Entry-level workers start well below the average electrician salary in Panama, but your pay goes up quickly as you gain experience. On top of that, your earnings usually plateau unless you move into supervision. A university degree separates pay levels even further, even if a basic license is enough to start work. Having higher education helps you step up into higher-paying roles, such as an electrical estimator or a project manager. Finally, small local firms pay the lowest average electrician pay, whereas large multinational companies offer much better packages to their staff.